video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a two-rope script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, you just have to click over here. Now click on this GitHub link. After that, click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see, this is the configuration of required job over here, and this is the configuration for tow truck. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn the Mesa 3 vehicle over here. So this is one of the configured vehicle in the config file of the tow rope script. So now over here I'll be spawning a normal vehicle. Now let's get to the truck. Over here we have to press E to get the tow rope. After that, we need to attach this rope in this vehicle. Just like this. Now we can move the car. If you want to use the tow truck, then you need to install the tow truck script as well. This is the script which you need to install. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. These are the files which you get in the script. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now let's restart the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn the flatbed truck over here. Now let's spawn one more vehicle over here. Now get to the tow truck. Use your target eye over here. Then click on lower bed. After that, get over here. Then press E to get the tow rope. Now take the tow rope and attach to this vehicle. Just like this. Now get inside the truck. Now press the up arrow key to get the vehicle into the truck. As you can see, now get out from the vehicle. Now first we need to remove the rope. For that, get over here. Now press E to remove the rope. Now use your target eye. Then click on attach vehicle. Now use your target eye again over here. Then click on raise bed. Just like this, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.